What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna do another launch because my last one launch was like really easy and I make like really easy money. So why not? I'm gonna launch another thing on PumpSwap using the same method. And let's see if it's gonna work again. And I believe it will because it was just really solid thing, you know. Lots of people are benefiting out of this right now. And for now, it's a good technique, like really good method, but you gotta be fast. Don't miss the train, you know. Right, you miss the train on crypto, you always end up losing money, so you gotta catch that train, okay? So this one is, I'm doing my research by the way, this one is like the dark eclipse, whatever, but it got like some vibe in it. It says like a first, where's the Bitcoin white paper? It's so wide, so I like it. I think it got some future. I don't know, maybe not. It depends on developer, but I'm gonna take some part of this thing. It's you. But let me check it out one. What is that one? The fez means eggs. And I'm saying like, this is bullshit. I'd smell the bullshit like 1 mile away, man. This two thing is like bullshit. They're talking about the functions they never made. You know, this is a bullshit. I'm not going to copy their sweet shit. So let's go dodge rocket. Nah, I'm done with dodge stuff. Dog Eclipse seems like the best auction to me right now. It has like almost perfect market cap for me. Running, I don't know, man. I'm not going to do a pet type of thing. It is fine. It's like easy thing to do. And lots of competitors, they're all doing cap, dog. I don't know. I don't want to do the same again, over and over. So what I'm going to do is the bucket pitch thing. It's something to do with Bitcoin, like first 100 words in its white paper. So I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to take its name, ticker, and whatever, every information. And this is the easiest way to take the information. Some websites just click on metadata and take the IPFS address and then I copy and paste it. Some websites are charging money for this, but this is really easy. Do not pay them, all right? Save some Solanas with that information. So, description is just written there. And I'm copying it, pasting it right away. The logo itself, copy and paste it, and then download it. That's it. I downloaded it, all right. And what else? We need to get socials. What do they have? The website or what? The Telegram group. Like, yeah, they got the website. Okay, just copy and paste the website. That's it. You're off. They got the left side. They got the left side. It's another instant CTO, you know. CTO things are like still, and it's still going wild. So that means like people like the narrative and shift so we can benefit. But first, please subscribe, like, and turn your notifications on. I need it. It keeps you motivated. If you want to make money, follow my channel, please, man. I'm doing this for like, you know, I need more community type of thing. Whatever, token name is Dark Eclipse. And this is a tool, IS tools I told you about, a safe one. And I'm going to use this thing because I downloaded the web page and like, they don't support that, you know, format. So you better convert it, their websites. Easy to do. So it's there. I uploaded a decimal display. Just don't care about them. Description, copy paste, and options. You gotta select all of them. Really important. No one is going to touch your token if you don't select them. So you gotta select them. You can read what are they about. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Like I told you like millions of times, for my subscriber, you know what they mean. So create a token. Right, and click on it. Phantom is going to ask your password, as always. And then confirm the transaction, right? It means you have minted your token. And it's a successful transaction. Sometimes when it fails, if it fails, you can just do it again. It won't charge you twice because it's all about the chain. So make it like, just click on 100% button and maybe first 10 to 2, change it to 2. And I'm going to do it like 0.2 Solanas on this forum. And I'm going to swipe launch on PumpSwap. Please click on that. Don't forget it. I got many questions why my coin is not on PumpSwap because you didn't click on it, man. That's really important. Raydium CPM, man, he's not as good as it was before. So we're doing PumpSwap kind of thing now. So check your transaction on SolScan if it succeed. And what I'm seeing is it's succeed. So we're good to burn our LP, not all of it, just small amount of, that's mine, touch. The traders algorithms that bots have and some Telegram groups and also some like Twitter accounts, you got in their tracker. So it brings more lies. So what happened on this launch? I added some coins and then at the end, I made like 8.77 with this thing. And I never touched anything on left side or I don't know. I didn't do anything. I just copy it and paste it. I use my information a lot. All right. That's the amount of liquidity and what you're going to receive if you withdraw located it. All right. But it's like for only educational purposes, so I'm not going to remove it. I don't suggest rugging coins. I suggest you to do like really legit things. But I'm just showing you for like, you know, how risky is this business and how people make money out of this. So it's like 1K in, I don't know, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like really short amount of time. So I'm like pretty satisfied with the, you know, result. And I want to show you more stuff later. I'm on Solana big time, but like I'm on everywhere, you know. I want to just benefit from every opportunity on blockchain. So these dudes are what you stood on. Phantom, I mean, like it seemed like safe. Never got into trouble. So they have created a Binance Smart Chain Token Creator. I'm going to try my chance on Binance later. So it's pretty solid, in my opinion, because CZ, you know, is just shilling his chain. And also they got Bumbler. Maybe I'll try PumpFun launches. So that's it for me. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you have any questions. And also, I'm going to make videos about Binance Smart Chain launches and like PumpFun launches direct and not PumpSwap. So make sure you turn your notifications up. And if you have any questions, you can join my Telegram group and you can find me and you can DM me anytime. Most of the time I reply DMs. Sometimes there are like lots of DMs. But I try to reply them. So that's it. Thank y'all for listening. I wish you all great profits. Thank you.